Our next trinomial is x squared minus 14x plus 49. The leading coefficient is still 1, so I'm simply looking for two factors that multiply to c and add to b, or multiply to the end and add to the middle. So I'm looking at my 49 here. I notice it's positive, so think about it, how we could get a positive out of two factors, but when I look at b is negative. So I need two factors that multiply to give a positive and add to give a negative. So I know that my factors of 49 are going to be 49 and 1. And then the next one's going to be 7 and 7. Well, 7 and 7 can get to 14. So let's think about that. If I divide this up into two binomials, and I have an x and an x, I have a 7 and a 7, I need to add them together to get negative 14. That means that they would both be negative. Negative 7 plus negative 7 gives me negative 14. And what happens when I multiply negative 7 times negative 7? Well, two negatives being multiplied together would result in a positive. So if your last term is positive and your middle term is negative, you're looking for two negative integers that are going to add together. So pause it, double check this, and make sure it works out with using FOIL. Using FOIL or the distributive property. Remember, FOIL is just a fancy way of saying to distribute. It does work out. X squared minus 14x plus 49. So positive c, negative b, that means I'm looking for two negative integers. Therefore, the answer for factoring the trinomial x squared minus 14x plus 49 is x minus 7 times x minus 7. Now, if you remember back when we were multiplying, another way this may be written is x minus 7 squared, because we have the same factor being multiplied by itself.